Gotterblitz, or Lightning of the Gods, is located at Familypark Austria. Built in 2022 by Mack Rides, it is a family-friendly rollercoaster packed with surprising speed and exciting twists. Best ride of the park? No. Best rollercoaster of the park? Also not. It might come as a surprise to you, especially as we are a couple that loves roller coasters. Our favourite ride of this park wasn't a roller coaster. Which you might ask, well, that is for another video.
Way more fun than I thought it was going to be.
It was actually fun.
Normally we aim for a front row POV on our channel, but this one didn't come out that great. We recommend you watch this video next, or click the other button to subscribe to our channel. We have been Asher and Troy, your coaster and couple, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.